In lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to combine data from different files in Power BI. So this is our test folder. Inside we have 5 files. I'm going to combine this all files. And here you can see this is CSV and this one is text. And here on this file you can see number of columns are 3 and comma separated. And this one has same 3 columns. And this one also 3 columns. File 4 has same 3 and this one is also 3. The number of columns are same. Now let's do the combination. So opening the Power BI, and first here you need to go on this get data. After that more. Then you can see here folder option. Click there on this folder. Click on this connect. After that the next is here you need to copy the file location. So you need to copy the file location first. After that here more, then folder, connect and paste it there. Then after OK, here you can see 5 files is there. This is the txt file or CSV file. This is the location and attribute here binary content. After that click on this combine. So combine load. So here you can see this is the first file or displaying. Wanna see file 5, you can also, and here this is the file 2. Let's use here first file. Then here since this is comma separated automatically taken, no need to use anyone else because that was comma separated. Okay, thereafter here you need to click on this OK. This is combining the all files, and since this place the folder name is test, so that here test that's come there. If I click, then you can see here file 1. Till this position this is a file 1 content, and this is a file 1 content, and this is here file 2 content. Till for 30 40 file 2, file 3 is now 60, 80, 90, and file 4 90, file 5 90. Okay, so this comes txt file. So there's here if the number of columns are same, we can easily combine. Suppose if number of columns are different, so first deleting this one or here. So let's rename first this one, rename, giving the name combine, and here I'm going to use emp file. So this is your emp file, and here the records of emp file, you can see different number of columns are there, not same as file 1 file 2 file 3 file 5. So this that I'm trying to connect there. So let's go on this home, get data, more, JSON, and here connect. We need to give the path. So path is this place. Paste there. Click on OK. You can see emp file CSV, and click on combine, load. So this is trying to combine, and here you can see this is here emp file, first file that's taken, file 5. If you want, then you can see. So first file that is taken from here. Let's click on OK. So this is now combining all the files. The name that's come there with the name, okay, test combine, okay, combine. Since the folder is now name is combine, so that here that's created combine. Click there. Now you can see this place emp file is content is there, and other file 1, file 2, file 3, file 5. This content is not displaying. So this is the problem. When you have different columns, then you cannot get the correct data on this place. So here, to get the correct data, you must have number of columns must be set.